How to delete unwanted audio files in AudioLab. First of all, open the AudioLab app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Then tap on the play button in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will display all your saved recordings and imported tracks. Browse through the list and locate the audio file you want to remove. Once you have found it, tap on the three dots next to the file, then choose the delete option. Some versions of AudioLab may ask for confirmation before permanently removing the file, so confirm the deletion to complete the process. By regularly deleting unwanted audio files in AudioLab, you can maintain a clean workspace, improve app performance, and make it easier to manage your important recordings. Whether it's old recordings, duplicate tracks, or experimental edits you no longer need, this simple process ensures your audio library stays organized and clutter-free. Now you know how to delete unwanted audio files in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.